Some 24 gauge. Let's jump to the other side. I've got it hardwired right now. So you can put a plug on the end of it if you want to, but I just tapped it with alligator clips. Doing this one-handed, so if it's imperfect, it's probably me. Yep, you can see where it ran out on me because I didn't square it. But I'll run another piece. See how tight the lock is? It's really good. Machine just runs beautiful. Chain drive, awesome. Let's throw this one down. Let's do another one on the female side. I'm gonna flip this sheet. See if I can get it this time. It still ran out, popped out on me because I don't have two hands on it. A little better. Could have been better. And there she is. That's 24 gauge, no problem. We also ran this sample on 20. That's 20 gauge. That's heavier, but doing stovepipe, it's 24, 26 gauge, but I think it's rated probably right around 20 gauge capacity. You can see how I have it wired. Just use the alligator clips there. But machine's mint. Needs nothing.